Good morning to all my dear students. I hope all of you have completed the written work that is given in the first chapter and you have learned the question answers. From this picture you can identify that today we are going to study about the maps. In this lesson you will learn about why we prefer using maps to globes, what are maps, the different kinds of maps, the elements of maps, directions, scales and symbols. So before starting the first topic, let us move what we had studied in the last chapter. So in the last chapter we had studied the shape of the earth, the globe, the north pole and south poles, latitudes and longitudes, marking latitudes, marking longitudes, and the last we had studied about the global grid. Now let us study what we had seen in the second chapter. So first let us see in the chapter second, that is map. First topic is the globe and maps. So what is globe? A globe is a small model of the earth. It is the most accurate way of looking at the size, shape and location of places on the earth. But there are some shortcomings. What are that shortcomings? It is difficult to carry a globe around. It is not possible to see all the parts of the earth's surface at the same time. It cannot show detailed information. To get detailed information, we will have to make huge globes. So to avoid this problem, maps have been used. So a map is a drawing of the earth's surface or a part of it on a flat surface. So to avoid this problem, we normally used maps instead of a globe. Now let us see what is map with the help of it. So what is map? A map is a drawing of the earth's surface or a part of it on a flat surface such as a sheet of paper. This is a sheet of paper and it is a drawing of the earth's surface or a part of it. But you cannot flatten out the earth's surface and show it accurately. Why we cannot show it accurately? Because there are some errors in the shapes and size of land masses in maps. People who make maps try to minimize these errors. So now let us see the next topic, that is different types of maps. Maps can be drawn to show the whole world, a single continent, a country, a city, your neighborhood and even your school. They can be drawn in any size. Okay, they can be drawn in any size. Here they have discussed the 2 points. The larger the area covered by a map, more will be the errors in it. That means what? Larger the area, more will be the errors in it. A map of your neighborhood can be drawn accurately. Why? Because it is covering a small area. But a map of India or a map of a world will have errors because they cover very large areas. So now let us see with the help of the map of the world shown on page 12. So from this map of the world you can identify. Now let us see the next one. So next we will study about the different types of maps. In different types of maps, what we have to study? We will study about the world map. Second is given political map. Third is given physical map. So first let us see about the world map. Several times its size shows many more details. It can be easily rolled up or folded and carried. So from the word wall we can understand that it can be easily rolled up or folded and carried. Now a book of maps is called an atlas. What is atlas? A book of maps. Atlas means a book of maps. In that we will find different kinds of maps. Now let us see about the political map. So maps showing boundaries of the countries and states and important cities known as political maps. What? Political map shows boundaries of the countries and states and important cities known as the political map. Now let us see the next one. Physical map. Now what is physical map? Maps showing natural features of the land such as mountains, rivers and plains. Maps showing natural features of the land such as mountains, rivers and plains known as physical maps. Again, what the map is showing? It is showing crops grown or minerals found in various places. Next, it is roads, railways and airline routes. So all these things you can find it in the physical map. So children, this much is enough for today. All of you read the chapter at home. Thank you.